Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to create welcome speech in your PC. Let's get started. First, create a text document. Command in the description box. Copy and paste here. Type your name in the double quotation. And go to the File option. Click Save as option. Select your path. And type welcome, VBS. Save it. Go to your file location. Double-click it.
Welcome back,
It's
brother.
working.
Welcome back, brother.
Now type Win key plus R. Then type Shell Startup. Click OK. And your welcome speech file cut and paste here. Then restart your PC.
Thanks for watching.